Everyone, today we are discussing about chemical spill response. Knowing how to respond to a chemical spill quickly and safely is crucial. Let's go over the steps you need to take. First, assess the situation. Identify the chemical and extent of the spill. Check the safety data sheet for information and the hazards and recommended response procedure. Evacuate the area if necessary. Ensure that everyone who is not involved in the cleanup stay clear out of the spill. Alert your supervisor and follow your workplace emergency response plan. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment for the chemical involved. This may include gloves, goggles, respirators, and protective clothing. Ensure your PP is suitable for the specific hazards. Contain the spill, prevent it from the spreading. Use absorbent materials, spill containment kits, or barriers to confine the spill. Avoid using water unless the SDS indicate it safe to do so. Clean up the spill according to the procedure outlined in the SDS. Dispose of contaminated material properly, following local regulations and workplace guidelines. The sum up of responding the chemicals spill involve assessing the situation, evacuating if necessary, using proper PPs containing the spill, and cleaning it up safely. By following these steps, you can handle spill effectively and minimize the risk. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips and stay prepared.